Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best go-karts for hoverboards that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Highboy HC02 Hoverboard Go Kart. Do you want to turn your hoverboard into an amazing go-kart? The best way to do this is to buy this best go-kart for hoverboard, which is ideal for 10, 8 and 6.5 inches self-balancing scooters. One of the great things you will love about this product is that it is easy to assemble. This implies that you do not require any special skills or DIY experience to have this product up and running. With the larger design and rear suspension that it features, this kart kit is durable, solid and reliable to accommodate up to 270 pounds weight limit. Moreover, this is one of those go-kart for hoverboards that features a larger design than most products on the market. It is usually delivered when it is almost fully assembled, and so with its modular design, you will only need a maximum of 15 minutes to have it fully installed. You will love the safety and smooth design that it features, offering enhanced steering and top-notch performance. Moving on at number 4, we have Castol Hovercart Seat Attachment. Are you searching for the best go-kart for hoverboards that can accommodate scooters with a tire range of 6 to 10 inches? This product is all you are searching for because it offers you exactly and much more. It has a comfortable design which is ideal for both the old and the young. This is mainly facilitated by the ergonomic design that the product features, including the comfortable foam handlebars and anti-skid foot stand. Additionally, the product is comfortable to sit on and features a big front wheel shock absorber, making it more user-friendly. One of the things that you will love about this hovercart is that it features a speed control function. Moreover, it has a simple but sturdy design to ensure that it is stable and safe for users. Installing this product is a breeze, and so you do not require any special skills or tools to have it up and running. At number 3, we have Kuvi Hoverboard Cart. Here is a go-kart for hoverboard that will safely give you immense fun. T features an adjustable frame to accommodate a 2-wheel self-balancing scooter. Moreover, it will give you easy control and enhance the user's riding skills in a fun way. The product is easy to install, and so it is beginner-friendly as you do not require any DIY experience to set it up. The length of this hovercart is also adjustable to accommodate people of all heights. Hence, it can be used by people of all ages comfortably and give value and fun. One of the greatest things about buying this product is that it is made with high-quality structure, and for this reason, it can support a maximum weight capacity of 250 pounds. To save you a lot of money, it comes with all the required accessories to assemble it. At number 2, we have MingToGo Cart. This best hovercart gives you the safe solution of riding a hoverboard, especially to riders who haven't mastered the art of balancing. You will love the fact that this is a comfortable and adjustable go-kart for hoverboard because its frame can be adjusted to accommodate kids and adult riders as well. For enhanced comfort, this hovercart has its seat contoured to your back and legs, ensuring that you have an awesome ride. For beginners, you do not have to worry about the installation of the hovercart because the package comes with comprehensive and simple instructions on how to set it up. You do not require any special tools or skills to have it up and running. It also comes with wide compatibility to ensure that it can accommodate scooters with tires that range from 6 to 10 inches. With the satisfaction guarantee that comes with this product, you can be sure that this is a risk-free purchase. And finally at number 1, Kuvi Cart Go Kart Conversion Kit. This is the ultimate hoverboard conversion kit that will always offer you the ultimate go-karting experience. Since it gives you more control and exposes you to minimal injury risk, this product is ideal for kids. Therefore, you will never have to worry about kids falling off the hoverboards when riding. It is normally delivered when it is almost fully assembled. Therefore, it takes you less time to have it up and running. As a matter of fact, the installation of this product does not require any special tools and skills. There is maximum safety and ultimate control when using this hovercart because it features easy-to-use brakes and acceleration. Moreover, you can turn it in full confidence because it has a patent-pending design. Moreover, it gives you enhanced control as you use it when seated as compared to when riding a hoverboard when standing. There are also comfortable seating contours which suit your back and legs for the best comfort. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.